Picture this. While you're sleeping tonight, your biggest competitor just launched a marketing campaign that reaches exactly the right customers at precisely the right moment. They didn't hire an expensive agency or spend months researching. They used artificial intelligence to do it in hours. The question is, are you going to let them leave you behind? Or are you ready to discover how small businesses like yours are using AI to compete with companies 10 times their size? Today we're revealing 7 game-changing ways you can harness artificial intelligence right now to transform your business operations, connect with more customers, and dramatically increase your revenue. These aren't theoretical concepts or future possibilities. These are practical AI solutions that ordinary business owners are implementing today with extraordinary results. The landscape has shifted dramatically. What once required massive budgets and technical teams is now accessible to any entrepreneur willing to embrace these tools. We're going to show you exactly how to level the playing field and give your business the competitive edge it deserves. Let's start with the first way small businesses are revolutionizing their operations with AI. Number 1 is content creation mastery. Content drives modern business success, but creating quality content consistently feels impossible when you're juggling everything else. This is where AI becomes your secret weapon. Tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Jasper can generate blog posts, social media content, email campaigns, and even video scripts in minutes instead of hours. But here's the key: AI doesn't replace your creativity, it amplifies it. Think of a local restaurant using AI to create weekly menu descriptions that make every dish sound irresistible, or a fitness coach generating workout tips that keep clients engaged between sessions. The magic happens when you feed these tools your brand voice, your customer insights, and your unique perspective. A plumbing company we know uses AI to create educational content about common household issues, positioning themselves as the trusted expert before emergencies happen. They went from posting once a month to daily engagement, and their service calls increased by 40%. Remember, AI provides the foundation, but you add the personality and authenticity. That makes your brand memorable. Always fact-check and refine the output to ensure it truly represents your business values. Number 2, transforms your social media presence completely. Social media management feels overwhelming because it demands constant attention, creative content, and strategic timing. AI-powered platforms are changing everything about how small businesses approach social engagement. Tools like Hootsuite and Sprout Social analyze your audience behavior to determine optimal posting times, suggest content topics based on trending conversations, and even identify your most influential followers. Imagine knowing exactly when your customers are most active online and what type of content drives the highest engagement. BuzzSumo takes this further by analyzing viral content in your industry, helping you understand what resonates with your target market. A local bakery used these insights to discover that behind-the-scenes baking videos posted at 7 in the morning generated 3 times more engagement than their afternoon product photos. These platforms also provide competitive analysis, showing you what strategies work for similar businesses in your area. You can benchmark your performance, identify gaps in your content strategy, and discover new approaches that drive real results. The time savings alone are incredible, but the strategic insights transform how effectively you connect with potential customers. Number 3, revolutionizes email marketing through personalization. Email remains the highest converting marketing channel for small businesses, but generic blast messages are losing effectiveness rapidly. Modern consumers expect personalized experiences, and AI makes this possible even with limited resources. Advanced email platforms use machine learning to segment your subscribers based on behavior patterns, purchase history, and engagement preferences. Instead of sending the same message to everyone, you can deliver tailored content that speaks directly to individual interests and needs. Consider a home improvement store that segments customers by project type. DIY enthusiasts receive how-to guides and tool recommendations, while busy homeowners get contractor referral programs and time-saving solutions. Both groups feel understood and valued, leading to significantly higher open rates and sales conversions. The AI analyzes optimal send times for each subscriber, adjusts subject lines for maximum impact, and even determines the ideal email length for different customer segments. Small businesses report 20 to 40% increases in email revenue when implementing these personalization strategies. These systems also automate follow-up sequences based on customer actions. Someone who opens but doesn't click receives different content than someone who visits your website but doesn't purchase. This level of sophistication was once only available to major corporations, but now it's accessible to any business serious about growth. Number 4, provides deep competitor intelligence that was previously impossible to gather efficiently. Understanding your competition is crucial, but manual research takes enormous time and often misses critical insights. AI-powered tools like SEMrush and SpyFu automatically monitor your competitors' digital activities, tracking their advertising spend, keyword strategies, social media performance, and website changes. You'll discover which marketing campaigns are working for them, identify gaps in their approach, and find opportunities they're missing. A local accounting firm used competitor analysis to discover that their rivals were neglecting small business education content. They filled this gap with helpful tax tips and financial planning resources, attracting numerous new clients who appreciated the valuable information. These platforms also reveal your competitors' most successful keywords, allowing you to optimize your own search engine visibility. You can see their advertising strategies, understand their pricing approaches, and even monitor customer feedback about their services. The intelligence gathering that once required hiring expensive consultants or spending countless hours researching is now automated and continuously updated. This gives small businesses the strategic insights needed to make informed decisions about marketing investments, service offerings, and competitive positioning. Number 5, focuses on local search optimization, which is absolutely critical for businesses serving specific geographic areas. Most small business owners know they need to appear in local search results, but optimizing these listings manually is incredibly time-consuming. AI tools like Moz Local automate the entire process of managing your Google business profile and other local directories. These platforms ensure your business information stays consistent across all platforms, automatically publish posts, respond to customer reviews, and analyze performance metrics. The system identifies which local keywords drive the most traffic to your business and optimizes your listings accordingly. A dental practice using these tools saw a 60% increase in appointment requests within 3 months. This was because their enhanced local visibility reached more potential patients at the exact moment they needed dental services. These platforms also monitor review patterns and alert you to potential reputation issues before they become problems. The automated responses maintain engagement while you focus on serving customers. And the analytics help you understand which aspects of your business generate the most positive feedback. Number 6, leverages intelligent chatbots for round-the-clock customer engagement. Modern consumers expect immediate responses, but most small businesses can't provide 24/7 support without significant expense. Today's AI chatbots have evolved far beyond the frustrating automated systems of the past. When properly configured with your business information, they provide helpful, personalized interactions that genuinely assist customers while gathering valuable data about their needs and preferences. A home services company installed a chatbot that qualifies leads by asking about project details, budget ranges, and timeline preferences. This information helps their sales team prepare better proposals while ensuring customers receive relevant follow-up communication. The chatbot handles initial inquiries instantly, even when the team is busy on job sites. These systems integrate with your existing communication tools, routing complex questions to human representatives while handling routine inquiries automatically. They can schedule appointments, provide service information, and even process simple transactions, dramatically improving customer experience while reducing your workload. The key is training the chatbot with comprehensive information about your products, services, and common customer questions. The investment in setup pays dividends through improved customer satisfaction and increased conversion rates. Number 7, transforms website visitors into paying customers through behavioral analysis and optimization. Most small business websites convert only 2 to 3% of visitors into customers, leaving enormous revenue potential untapped. AI visitor behavior tools like Hotjar and FullStory Track how people interact with your website, revealing exactly where they encounter problems or lose interest. Heat mapping technology shows which sections capture attention and which elements are ignored completely. The AI analyzes this data to recommend specific improvements to your website layout, content placement, and calls to action. A consulting firm discovered that visitors were leaving their site because the contact information was difficult to find. After repositioning this element based on AI recommendations, their consultation requests increased by 80%. These platforms also identify your highest converting traffic sources and user behaviors, allowing you to focus marketing efforts on the most profitable channels. You can see which blog posts lead to the most inquiries, which service pages generate phone calls, and which promotional offers drive actual purchases. Advanced systems like Optimizely use machine learning to automatically test different website variations, continuously improving conversion rates without manual intervention. The system learns what works best for your specific audience and implements changes that drive measurable results. The transformation we've outlined isn't theoretical. Small businesses across every industry are implementing these AI solutions right now and seeing dramatic improvements in efficiency, customer engagement, and revenue generation. The competitive advantage goes to those who act quickly, while their competitors hesitate. But knowing about these tools is only the beginning. Success comes from systematic implementation and understanding how to integrate AI solutions into your existing business operations without disrupting what already works well. That's exactly what we address in our comprehensive business course designed specifically for small to medium-sized business owners. This step-by-step program shows you how to build systems that work for you instead of working constantly in your business. You'll discover how to identify operational bottlenecks, implement automated solutions, and create processes that scale with your growth. Most importantly, you'll learn how to leverage these AI tools as part of a complete business strategy that delivers sustainable results. We're also offering something special for viewers of this video. Click the link in the description to access your free copy of our Operational Excellence Guide. This resource reveals our systematic approach to identifying and eliminating friction points that slow down business growth. You'll receive practical frameworks for optimizing your operations, whether you're just starting out or ready to scale to the next level. The businesses that thrive in today's competitive environment are those that embrace intelligent automation while maintaining the personal touch that customers value. Our course shows you exactly how to achieve this balance and build a business that truly serves your lifestyle and financial goals. Don't let another day pass wondering what could be possible if you had the right systems in place. Click the link in the description now to get your free Operational Excellence Guide and learn more about our complete business transformation course. Your future self will thank you for taking action today instead of waiting for the perfect moment that never comes. The AI revolution is happening with or without you. The question is whether you'll be leading the charge or struggling to catch up. Click that link now and let's build the business you've always envisioned.